A routine move turns into a total disaster. Watch as these workers carry a massive glass pane across the street. But out of nowhere, a motorcyclist speeds right into it, smashing the glass into a million pieces. A split-second accident that left everyone in absolute shock. While worker is busy dropping packages into a storage hole, a guy walks by completely distracted by his phone because he's busy texting. He walks right into the opening and falls down. A thief struggles to lift a heavy manhole cover and finally gets it onto his shoulder. Just as he starts to walk away, he misses his footing and falls directly into the hole he just opened. This man was dismantling the wall around his yard when unexpectedly the wall began to collapse towards him. Fortunately, his nearby sister warned him loudly and shouted, alerting the man just in time, avoiding a disaster. As a worker pulls a pallet jack full of water bottles, the driver and another man try to steady the load from the side. When the pallet reaches the inclined sidewalk, it loses balance and tips over completely. Walking on top of a narrow wall is dangerous enough, but doing it without a harness is a massive risk. A simple trip into a small hole was all it took for this worker to fall. Safety gear is there for a reason. It only takes a few seconds for a normal day to turn into a disaster. These two people are just standing by their car, completely unaware of what's coming. Then, out of nowhere, a loose tire from a truck runs with extreme speed. A worker was unloading a trailer full of heavy H-beams. One of them suddenly came loose because it wasn't properly secured and fell without warning. This footage captures a serious industrial accident where a worker is pinned under a massive steel coil after it slips from a crane's lifting mechanism. The incident highlights the extreme danger of standing too close to active overhead loads and the necessity of maintaining a safe perimeter to prevent such accidents. It is vital to establish restricted safety zones, ensure all lifting attachments are securely locked, and use specialized equipment like C-hooks proper. Safety training is essential so that operators can recognize crush zones and always maintain a clear path of retreat. In a heavy industrial facility, a worker performing a routine check on a high-speed steel rolling mill suffered a severe accident after breaching the safety perimeter by standing too close to the pinch point between the coil and the machinery. The operator was suddenly caught by the rotational force and pulled into the equipment. Test narrow intake. This incident serves as a stark reminder to strictly adhere to safety mandates. Maintain safe clearance by never approaching moving parts while energized. Follow LOTO lockout tagout protocols by de-energizing unlocking machinery before any inspection. Ensure engineering controls like physical barriers and light curtains are functional to prevent perimeter breaches. Always maintain pinch point and line of fire awareness. No task is so urgent that it justifies bypassing safety procedures. Always prioritize well-being over production speed. In a heavy industrial facility, a severe incident occurred when a worker attempted to inspect a high-speed, rotating steel coil on a rolling mill. Due to a breach of safety clearance and standing too close to the pinch point between the coil and the machinery, the operator was suddenly caught by the rotational force and pulled into the equipment's narrow intake. This event serves as a critical warning about the necessity of maintaining safety zones around active machinery. Vital lessons include never approaching or touching moving parts. While the equipment is energized, strictly adhering to lockout, tagout, LOTO protocols to ensure a full power down before any adjustments, maintaining functional physical barriers and emergency stop sensors, and always identifying pinch points to keep a survival distance. Safety is a collective responsibility. No task is so urgent that it justifies bypassing life-saving protocols. This video captures a serious industrial incident involving the transport of heavy metal coils via an overhead crane. The footage shows a worker positioned in a high-risk area, directly between a suspended load and stationary coils. Without warning, the coil loses stability and drops, pinning the worker against the fixed inventory. This serves as a vital reminder of non-negotiable safety protocols. Never stand under a suspended load or walk beneath a crane's path. Avoiding pinch points is critical, as standing between moving and stationary objects creates inescapable traps during a malfunction. Always maintain a safe perimeter from the operating radius. Your safety depends on strict adherence to procedures. Never sacrifice security for convenience. This safety alert examines a serious industrial incident in a glass warehouse caused by improper material handling while workers were managing vertically stacked tempered glass. The panels lost stability and collapsed in a chain reaction, pinning a worker who could not escape in time. Nearby colleagues rushed to provide assistance, highlighting the urgency of the situation. To prevent such events, facilities must implement strict storage protocols, using specialized frame racks with safety locks. Rather than leaning materials against walls, it is vital to use mechanical aids like vacuum suction lifters to maintain safe distances, as manual intervention during a collapse is extremely dangerous. Furthermore, workers must be trained in the safe positioning to ensure clear escape routes, and mandatory PPE, including hard hats and steel-toed boots, is essential for mitigating impact. Adhering to these standards is a fundamental principle of survival in any industrial setting. This safety alert highlights a terrifying near miss at a roadside shop when a heavy truck tire detached from a passing vehicle and hurtled toward the storefront. The tire caused significant damage to the awning and shelves, but both individuals escaped without serious injury due to quick reflexes. This event underscores the vital importance of routine vehicle maintenance, as failures like loose lug nuts or worn tires pose a direct threat to public safety. Businesses on busy roads should consider installing protective barriers, like bids, to mitigate traffic-related risks. Staying alert to unusual sounds and maintaining clear interior aisles are also essential for quick emergency evacuation. Ultimately, community safety relies on the individual responsibility of every vehicle operator to ensure their equipment is properly maintained. This safety alert highlights a startling incident where a passing truck experienced a catastrophic tire failure during midday in a residential area. The force of the event sent a wheel assembly careening toward the sidewalk at high speed. A man standing near a parked red car narrowly escaped when the tire, diverted by obstacles, swept past him in a split second. This underscores the vital need for regular vehicle inspections, as worn-out or overinflated tires often cause dangerous blowouts. Pedestrians must maintain constant situational awareness near heavy traffic, as mechanical issues, like detached wheels, occur without warning. If unusual noises are heard, individuals should immediately seek cover. Ultimately, maintaining safety standards is a shared responsibility to protect the entire community.